Hi, welcome aboard Azamara Quest. I'm going to give you a cabin tour of Club Continent balcony here on deck 8, room 8055. I'll show you all the features and point out some of the things that are unique when you book a suite here on Azamara. Come on in. So we'll start off here on the left. We have our closet space. You can see here you've got hanging space. If you need more hangers, ask your butler and he will bring you some more. You've got some bathrobes, your life vest. Here's an extra blanket if you get cold. And you have some umbrellas that you can use if it's rainy. It's been rainy here in Lisbon where we're at. And you can see we have our bags stowed there before they bring our big suitcases and we start unpacking. By the way, if you haven't yet hit the thumbs up, please do so on this video. Click subscribe, and in the comments, put any questions you might have about Azamara. Okay, let's continue. So here you have more storage space, some shelving. You do have a hair dryer, a shoehorn, a safe for you to use to keep your valuables. Now, they give you some laundry bags here, and when you're staying in a suite on Azamara, your first bag of laundry is complimentary. Anything after that, you do need to pay for, though. All right, so coming in a little bit further, you have a mini bar setup. They've given us a bunch of bottles of water for us to drink, and you've got ice buckets, some glasses, and a bottle opener. When you stay in a suite, they do give you a complimentary bottle of spirits. You need to fill this out, leave it here, and they'll bring you your favorite gin, rum, whiskey, or vodka. Down below, you've got a mini fridge and some mixers. I believe they will refill these for you throughout the cruise as you consume them. Now, we also have up here some beach towels. We're not really going to any beaches on this cruise, but if you were in a tropical destination, you want to take these with you when you walked off the ship so you had a towel to use. All right, so coming on into the cabin, we've got a bunch of storage drawers down here. There's 3 of them. They're pretty big and deep, helpful for keeping things organized during your cruise. They've also given us a really nice embroidered tote bag with the Azamara logo on it. You have a large flat panel TV and your remote control. Now coming in a little bit further, there's a bunch of paperwork that they've left for us, including our shore excursion tickets. We have pre-ordered internet, so that's noted on our pre-purchase card. And then there's more information about the sailing, the itinerary, additional excursion information, some of the highlights of our 11-day sailing. So you definitely want to check out the paperwork when you first get to the cabin. Okay, coming in a little bit further, you've got sort of a desk vanity setup area. There's some more storage drawers here, which you can store things. You also have a nice binder, directory of services, and in here you have a welcome letter from the CEO of the cruise line. You also have a bunch of information about room service, information about your stateroom, phone numbers on board, policies, things like that. So coming in a little bit further, you have this nice backlit mirror, which is nice if you're getting ready, using this to, I don't know, do your hair, prepare your makeup, that kind of thing. Power plugs, you've got 2 US power plugs. They are the 3-pin kind, so you can plug in your laptop. And then you have a European pin plug, which is going to be 220 volts. You have a desk lamp, phone, and here's the switches to turn on and off the mirror light. All right, let's come outside and I'll show you the balcony. So out here on the balcony, you have a pretty large table. So if you order room service, maybe you're going to have breakfast when you're sailing, you have a nice space to have your cabin steward set that up for you. You got 3 chairs, 2 are here, and there's a 3rd one sitting back there. So if you do have a triple in the cabin, there's space for 3 people on the balcony. So nice little balcony. It is enclosed on top, so you won't have raindrops falling on your head, but you do have a nice view of the ocean. We're here in Lisbon. We are taking this 11-day Spain intensive itinerary. It is March 22nd, 2025. And so you can kind of see what the weather looks like here in Portugal today. All right, let's go back inside and we'll show you the rest of the cabin. So you've got here 2 chairs that they've set up for you. This is a upholstered high back chair and then a regular chair for you to use while you're enjoying some champagne. The cruise line was very nice to deliver us 2 bottles of champagne in our cabin, and they gave us some glasses. They were also handing out some pink sparkling wine when we got on board, and it's quite delicious. So coming in a little bit further, we'll talk about the bed area. You do have 2 tables, or nightstands on either side. Each side has a night lamp with a button here to control it. You've got a small reading lamp on both sides, and then very importantly underneath here you have a USB-A plug that's on both sides, so you can charge your iPhone, your watch, anything you need while you're sleeping. So the bed is set up as a queen size bed. It's 2 twin beds pushed together. You can have them separated. You just need to request that when you make your reservation, or let your cabin steward know that you want the bed separated, and they can easily do that for you. They have a mat here for luggage when they do deliver our luggage, and that's to put the suitcases on here and unpack and prevent the linens from getting dirty. Okay, so let's finish up and take a look at the bathroom. So before we go into the bathroom, you got a full-length mirror. You do have a thermostat. This ship was built in 2000, about 25 years ago, so the thermostat is probably original hardware, but it does work. You have warm and cold dial. This is the light switch for the bathroom. So let's go into the bathroom and take a look. First, on the right-hand side, you have your toilet. It's a typical cruise vacuum flush toilet. And then I will just show you the rest of the features here. You have a bunch of shelving, which is nice for storage and maintaining organization. They do give you these small bottle toiletries. There's a couple of glasses here, and up here you've got some Q-tips and cotton balls. Here you have a single basin sink. It's pretty large, and you do have a little storage on either side, but there's not a ton of storage space in here. But here's your sink, and then down below you have a storage shelf where they have some towels and some other extra supplies like extra toilet paper. You've got a plug here for shavers only. They have a 115 volt and a 230 volt based on what type of shaver you're using. You do have a mirror. It does squeak a little, but you have 2 different magnifications here. It's not backlit though. So you've got your mirror here, and then on the other side you have your stand-up shower. So I'll just point out, you've got a glass door in the suites here on Azamara. The showers are glass. In the regular standard cabins, they are a fabric shower curtain. You do have a string that will extend across for you to dry your wet bathing suit or anything you might have washed in the sink. You have your shower head up there, and then you have a nice shelf area where you can store shampoo, razor, things like that in the shower, so that's nice and convenient. Then you have your controls there, and you have a hand wand as well as the shower head up there. There's also a little bar there, which, ladies, if you want to shave your legs in the shower, it makes it convenient for you to use that when you're taking a shower. Okay, so this is the bathroom here on the Club Continent Suite, and I'll just come out and give you one last look around the cabin. Thank you so much for watching. Again, we're here on the Azamara Quest. It's March 22nd, 2025. This is a cabin tour, or this has been a cabin tour of the Club Continent Suite. Thank you for watching. Put any questions you have in the comments, and until next time, bon voyage.